You know what I just discovered? Iced green tea in the mornings. Iced green tea.
How did I figure that out? I don't know.
But iced green tea that looks like pee in the morning. So good. For some reason it
tickles my fancy.
Also, look how beautiful it is. That's all gonna go away because it's supposed to rain today. Okay, we are going to see elephant seals today. I'm excited.
Me too.
On our way to see elephant seals, we're gonna stop off at the donut place that we like and see if we can get new flavors. I'm limiting myself to 2 donuts because I cannot
Eat more than 2.
I'm excited. We're getting donuts.
Seeing elephant seals.
Yes.
Alright, what'd you get, Hales? I got the same old cookie dough.
I got coconut banana. I'm gonna try a different one.
There wasn't much to select from.
Well, they were all
looked good.
They were all the same flavors that we already tried.
Yeah, there were no chocolate ones though, unfortunately. Is it good? Does it taste like banana?
Yeah, so you want to bite?
Yeah. It tastes okay. It's okay. The coconut is just not my favorite.
The what?
The coconut is just not my favorite. So good. Literally, so just the best. So happy. Now it's time for the sugar rush to kick in. So good. On to the elephant seal park. I didn't know that dogs can now drive. And also, there's a dog in this car too.
It smells like weed. Oh, look at that kid riding the bike.
It does smell like weed. Anyways, we're at a farmer market because we need to wait.
The kid, he can't even, he doesn't even have pedals. He just has his feet. I want one.
No, you don't. We're at a farmer's market and to waste time.
It smells like fucking weed.
It does smell like weed.
Santa Cruz.
Yep, Santa Cruz.
Nothing
Anyways,
against weed, I just don't like the smell.
okay, it turns out the farmer's market was
Not it.
it was only like a little loop and that was it. Not much happening. Just a bunch of food and fruits and vegetables that's overpriced because it's Santa Cruz. Now we're going to this coffee shop that has vegan food. That's the vibes! Okay, so one thing that I really like here though in Santa Cruz is that everyone has a specific kind of like style and I love it. It's so like beachy mixed with like skater vibes. But Haley, why are we just East Coasters?
They walk really slow here, which doesn't make sense because they drive so fast.
Yes.
But they walk really slow. The pace is just too slow for me. New York might be too fast, but I need a little bit more.
And the ocean's right over there. This is such a vibe. Like a small coffee shop and the ocean.
It's a vibe.
What do you think?
I like that. What do you think?
What? I just bit the whole side of my mouth.
Are you okay?
I'm bleeding.
Hello. We have a tour for the elephant seals. One, I tell you.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Shout out to the library.
Yeah, shout out to the libraries for the free parking pass. I have too much fun with this. What did you say it was for? You see birds. What else do you see? Just birds. We're on the way to see elephant seals. Yay!
I hope one poops on you. They're beasting.
Yeah.
Where are you guys visiting from?
Hold out your hand. I got you open. Hermit crab shell.
Whoa, that's so cool. Hermit crab shell. That's sick. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're so cute. Look at a little big boy. The only male. He's scratching himself.
A little bit. It's cleaned up some.
I go this way.
Itch, gotta itch.
Here, baby.
Look at, they all got itches. They're all itches. Sometimes I wish my life was like this. Just chilling on the beach.
Oh, this one's flipping over. He's like, look at me. That one's biting his flippers. You see? He's like, leave me alone.
And this one is just stretching? Question mark? Oh wow.
Big stretch.
So let me in, let me. He said just a little bit. He said, bruh.
Can we ask one of you ladies to take our picture, please?
They were fighting and then now they're cuddling. Oh. Oh. me in the mornings. I don't want to get out of bed.
Salsa.
We're going Mexican.
Salsa.
Chips and salsa.
I love chips and salsa.
Yeah, I know.
I'm hungry. I'm about to destroy.
That was really cool.
Give me 3 bowls right away.
When your girlfriend gets way too excited about Mexican food. Just because solely of the chips and salsa.
Yes. That was my after school snack all the time. I'd eat like a whole bag of Tostitos and a whole jar of salsa like after school. My mom would get mad at me. Made me go on diet.
Elephant seals, 10 out of 10. Would recommend, but go earlier so that there's more seals.
February is the best time.
Okay, so we just exited the park and there was a car stopped and Haley goes, I'm looking at my phone, Haley goes, I think they're making out. And then like I looked and there was like music blasting, full blown
Like
make out session. Yeah, like make out session. I was like, oh, and there's a car coming in behind them. Wild. And like, why wouldn't you park your car first? But it's literally in the middle of the road. I mean, I guess I just had to pull over and just anyway.
Just for some beans. It's $5.
Is it good? You happy? I keep feeding Gerald and he's coming back. Gerald has a hurt leg, so I'm feeding him.